So as I was moving up to the next position to where he was actually going to unload me, because I was just there in that spot, unstrapping and getting my edge protectors off. But I ain't know in what position I need to be, like over to the left or in the middle or over to the right.
This way?
He was trying to tell me to get to the right. First, I didn't know what he was trying to tell me. But we're finna get ready to get unloaded now. I guess this over here is just recycle. Yeah, they do recycling out here too. It's a lot of metal out here. All right, that's it. Let's go wait for the next load.